Breaker 19, you're tuning in only for trucks. Come on back, brother. Please subscribe, brother.
As you guys can see, today we're doing some milling. I'm hoping you guys can see with the camera I have mounted on the mirror there looking back. This operator, Timmy's a really good dude. What he likes to do is hang a rope there from the mill to give us something to eye up with the body to keep the stuff spraying in the right part of your, your bed there. Some people hang a flag, other people do nothing, so it all depends. But usually you keep that rope right around the back of the truck, right around the gate, and put it in the right spot. Try to fill the front first, let it fill up, and obviously then get the back half, get the most in the truck that way. But the best motto I ever heard was get good or get it on the hood. That's kind of the way to go by it. So when you see it spitting over in front of you hitting the dog, you got problems. See, back in the day, this was nice. Put the truck in low, and it would just walk at just the right speed. Looks like the front must be pretty full on the passenger side, so I'm trying to shoot it into the back now as it was just shooting over the side there. So I try to get the rope back about a foot or so from behind the truck. And that way it's filling up the very back of the body. This ride's not too far. I mean, it's just so boring. I don't really think there's a whole lot for you guys to see. You know, I'm in 4th gear out of 6, and I gotta make a left and run up 3 lights, make another left and pull into the quarry. So I think I'm just gonna magically get you guys there, and then we'll dump this load off. I do have some hot blacktop underneath of them millings I just got, because as we were waiting for the first round, they sent me somewhere else to do a little patch real quick, so the leftover asphalt was back there. So hopefully it doesn't, you know, I sprayed it up pretty good with some diesel fuel, so it shouldn't stick. So yeah, I will see you guys at the plant. Load feels kind of heavy. Should be a nice little dump there. Roll my tarp in. A little rougher than I thought. Yo, you, pull up. Uh-oh, pull up, son. I told you, get good or get it on the hood, Jimmy. Oh boy. That's what happens out here, causing a ruckus.
That's a wrap on this one, guys. I got sent to go get the last little bit of blacktop for this job that we're milling. We pad out around the inlets and the driveways and stuff like that to help the cars get over it while the road's milled. And then maybe next week we'll start paving this. They said it should be like 3 weeks of milling, so at least that guarantees me some work. It's currently Thursday, so I'm hoping to have this posted tomorrow. But this weekend I'm supposed to be going to Diane's and we're gonna try to get a lot done on that Peterbilt. And then the cab over is pretty good, but my dad and I got to get cracking on that R model to get it ready for York. So hopefully we can do that as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed milling. Luckily Timmy let me put a camera on the mill, so I didn't get to see it yet, but I'm hoping that angle works out pretty good. But yeah, give you guys a little rundown of how we do things around here. There's a good one. Get it, Jimmy. So yeah, she'll be happy she's in the video. But yeah, so appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, brother. Over and out.